Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a ton of dice rolls in Money in Monopoly Go, so just keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let me just go ahead and go over to the shop just so you guys can see what's going on. So as you can see, my resources are going up like crazy and I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton. So just keep watching. This is super crazy and I can't even believe it actually works, guys, but it does. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So yeah, this is awesome. So let's just wait for it to go ahead and max out here as you guys can see. All right, 25 million, let's go on with it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this website, monorolls.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So it's monorolls.com. So once you're on the website, guys, just go ahead and choose how much money and dice rolls you want to add to your account. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose how much money and dice rolls I want to add, and then just go ahead and select it. And now we're just going to go ahead and fill in our username and select our platform. So let me just go ahead and type in my username right here. So let me just go ahead and do that. And now I'm going to go ahead and select my platform and then go ahead and press proceed. And it's just going to confirm that you want to generate that onto your account. So just press generate and we're going to wait for it to load. So this should be pretty fast. So I'm just going to give it a second to go ahead and connect here, as you guys can see. Now it's doing verification. So I was verified, but we'll just wait for this to load. Suspicious activity detected, so I have to verify. So basically, it's going to bring you to this page right here, and you might see some different offers. It depends on your location. For the USA, you might see offers like Cash App, Shein, Walmart. So just follow the instructions below each app. They got a video if you don't know what you're doing, but I'm going to go ahead and do the Coin Master, so it's going to take me to the App Store again. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here, as you guys can see. So now I'm going to go to the home screen, just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So Master. This one's a game, so with the games, you just want to go ahead and run it, just do some basic interactions. You should be all set. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up with this. All right. Got to build the village. Cool. All right. So yeah, this is super crazy. I'm just going to name my guy. All right. Pretty cool. Spin it. All right, so let's go ahead and check our game and see if we're rich. I think it worked, but let's find out. So I'm going to open it up, and what's going on? Oh my gosh, you're going up like crazy, guys. So be sure to go ahead, try this out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Super, super cool. It's crazy. I can't believe it. So if this tutorial worked for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. Just get the word out about this method. It's super awesome, and I'm really happy about it because I'm not interested in spending money. So this is a lovely day to try this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out. See you later. Peace out.